Hi everyone, my name is Luana. Thank you for those who commented under my discussion post that my video wasn't working. I do not know what happened. It was working when I did record it and then upload it to YouTube, but I guess something happened and the audio just disappeared. Who knows what happened? It's very unfortunate because, you do your video and then things um, weird things happen, I guess. So for my research project, I chose React JS. Yeah, as we all know, there's so many popular frameworks out there besides AngularJS. This one is a fairly new one. It was created by a collaboration between Facebook and Instagram. Um, Facebook integrates it a lot with their page insights and I guess like with their management sites uh, for people who use Facebook marketing wise, as well as when you comment, you post a comment under people's statuses. React is integrated with that, and Instagram is 100% React. So all the behaviors that go on in Instagram, that's React is behind that. So one of the biggest kinks about React is that unfortunately it's not a complete framework. It doesn't feature like all the complete components like Angular, but it does encourage you to create or like reusable UI components. Um, and their biggest thing that they always talk about is React. It says it on their website right here as the V in MVC. Um, so they're very view model based. Another thing about React is that well, at least a difference between it and Angular is that Angular we all know, uses a two-way data binding model, as opposed to React, it only uses a one-way data binding model, and their reasoning behind it is just to simplify it for programmers, so everything just refreshes better or faster. Um, so just jumping in on some examples on their website, this is one of their data examples. And I think no, I don't have it open. So let me open it up here in Chrome. So you type in your name, and the whole purpose about it is that even though whether you type in your name or not, it will still, the framework, well, code behind it knows that it still has to tell you the time. Uh, as explained here, uh, notice that React is only changing the time string in the UI. Any input you put into the text field remains even though you haven't written any code to manage this behavior. So it pretty much figures it out for you and just does the right thing. So I think it's very friendly in the sense where if you want to build something complicated but you need something simpler, or if you will, more manageable, I think React is kind of heading in that direction. Um, Another neat example that I saw here when I downloaded their kit is that incorporating jQuery and Bootstrap at the same time. So this is the HTML here, and this is the code that, as you can see here, um, that they use. So essentially, this is a Bootstrap modal. So let me open it up so you can see. Um, so when you click the button, woohoo, it pops up. Um, I think it's a very different framework as opposed to Angular, and I think it has like a bright future, and more people are starting to hop on it, and I think it would be a really good framework, another framework at least to put under your belt. So thank you for watching the video. Sorry that it didn't have audio in the first one. And thank you for letting me know. Alright, bye guys.